Hello. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to compose an email, especially a formal one. So to compose an email, write a new email, click on compose, and then this session is asking you to type the email address of the recipient, the person that is going to receive this email. So you want to start by typing the address of that person. If it's already in, if you have already used it here before it to pop up, else you have to type everything out. The subject summarizes what you have in your body, what you have in your entire email. So let's say we want the person to review a research proposal for us. Review of research proposal, and then let's give our salutation. Let's say hi, greetings, something like that. Already I have the email type, so let me just paste it so that I'll fill whatever we have to do today. So hi, I am seeking your assistance to review my research proposal. Attached is a proposal outlining its objective, methodology, and potential contribution. Your insights are crucial in refining the proposal before submission, particularly given your expertise in the field of GIS, that's Geographic Information Sciences. Your feedback will be immensely valuable, and I'm grateful for any suggestions or improvement you can offer. Let's make it more formal. Thank you for considering my request, and I eagerly await your response. Sorry. So you can give this a paragraph, and then let's give closing remarks. Let's say that's kind regards, and then you can add in your signature, which I'll be doing in another tutorial, so stay tuned. I've already stated in the email that I'll be adding the document outlining. So if you want to add the document, just come to this paperclip icon, click on it, and then navigate to where that document is on, or whichever device you're working on. Mine is on desktop, me titled here. So it means our document is attached already. There are many other buttons here that you can use for other purposes. For example, Google Drive. If your file is in Google Drive, you can use this option to select your file from Google Drive. If you're going to select an image instead of a document, you use this. And then if you want to add a signature, which we'll look at in another video, you can use that option. Then if you're confident with your email, if you're confident with what you've written, just come press send, and then you're good to go. Bye bye.